Hey everyone, Crystal here again with my second project for my guest design team spot with Jolie kit clubs. My first one, if you remember, involved the metal wings, and this one is going to focus around this little heart and the remaining flowers. I have an idea, and a 4-inch paintbrush. I'm going to do an altered paintbrush with this. I've had this sitting around primed and ready for probably a year, and I'm gonna use the wood heart and at least the majority of the remainder of the flowers to alter this in a very country chic, maybe kind of wintry colors way. If you remember, there's silver mica powder from the mixed media kit this month, and some white glitter and some white crackle paint. The camera, it does not like focusing on for me on command. Some white crackle paint. There we go. White crackle paint. And some Inca Gold turquoise. And I think I'm going to really focus around that and around my heart being on here. But first, this does need some gesso. I can't really say that. Actually, you should never assume that I'm saying words right. This is almost empty, but this is actually another product that I think I got last year in one of the first mixed media kits from Jolie. And it is some white heavy gesso. I should look that up. I'll forget. There are words that I've heard multiple times. People have said them to me multiple times. It's still not working. Anyhow, back to the project. This came in a 3-pack with the white, the black, and the clear. And so that box that I wrote on is gone, but I think it was like, maybe it was a full year. It's at least a year old. Just added to it. I mean, I probably would have used it up, but I had other open bottles. And as it is, this is almost empty. But I wanted to use the heavy on this to really get it coated nicely for everything else. Okay, anyhow, before I worry about that too much, I'm just going to be making another mess. I think my crackle paint I'll be putting on my brush. I don't think I'm going to be putting it on my heart. I haven't decided yet, but I think I'm going to leave this solid. This is the Inca Gold in turquoise from this month's kit. Now, I think now it's time for my silver mica powder that was also in this month's kit. This is dried. This should, if I can get it there, lots and lots and lots of crackling going on. And then my heart is nice, shiny. I like the way I let it dry naturally, so it has some dark spots and lighter spots, and likely before this is all said and done I will seal it, but I'll probably wait at least until they're attached. First, I need to add some color here. And to see how I will be putting this on. This seems relatively dry. This is dry. I'm gonna mix up the script flowers and the white flowers that came in is a paper flower box kit box set, 16 piece set. There we go. It's with that item number right there that came in the mixed media kit, and I decided to use, because this has so much white on it already, I didn't think the brown flowers, because they also came with, and I don't think the brown flowers would work very well. There's that. There's my flowers going on here. That will take a while to, well, I'll probably let it dry a full day. Let the flowers dry a full day. before I come back. Not necessarily means, it doesn't mean that the gel's all the way dry, but it will be dry enough to work with again. So now off to set this off to the side. I'm back, although I do think, let me see, I do think I'm going to take this out and harass my husband. I do need to seal that heart. And I'm going to do it with, I'm going to take this out. I can't spray it in my house. Whew. But I'm going to go put some Mod Podge acrylic sealer on this heart to help hold the mica in place. So, just to, because you can see how I have like more of a sprinkling of mica powders. And I already tested it. It will come off, so I'm gonna go use this and see. I have my acrylic sealer out drying, and while it's out there, I am going to be working on my flowers. And I think this is just going to call for a lovely coating of, hold on, let me find it. There we go. I'm just going to make my own glimmer mist, shimmery mist. Just a mister. It's not colored, it's just really stained. Really stained. It just has plain water in it, but obviously it has had life with other things in it. Okay, it's not easy to heat dry a paintbrush. Oh, the bristles start melting, but I did at least get it so that it's dry enough to move. So if I can get this to autofocus. Hello camera, there we go. You can see it just has some glimmery and shimmery to it. So I'm going to set it off to the side and let the flowers finish drying while my acrylic sealer is also drying. And then I'll see how things are from there. Okay, probably not quite all the way dry, but it will be dry enough for me to finish adding my heart. It's glued down enough, like I wouldn't pack it up and ship it if I was sending it to somebody, but I can work with it again from using the gel on here. Now the only thing I want to do, this is some glossy accents I have over here that I'm painting on, or I'm going to be painting on. my heart. Maybe not everywhere. I'm gonna have to see. And this is the glitter that came in the November Mixed Media Kit. See, I have these phrases. They came in October's Mixed Media Kit. So just last month, there was capture, treasure, timeless memories and moments. Or I'm on the back. I don't want to. And I think I'm going to be adding in. And then I had, there we go. I have timeless. And I'm going to put it across the heart. But not how it currently is. Now, I'm going to put this over here. And I'm putting this on about like that.